put it into words. Because it's not a location. Because if it was a location, he could say, look, there it is in the clouds. But he said, whoa, if it's in the clouds, then the birds will get there first. He said, if it's in the water, the fish will get there first. And now this goes on. It says in the King James, every sacrifice will be preserved with salt, and everyone will be, or everything will be seasoned with salt. Now, there's a word here. The first case is netlach. The second case is petlach. Lach, that mulk sound in the Aramaic is what's in the beginning of malkutah. Malkutah. Malkutah dashmaya, kingdom of heaven. Malkutah da'alaha, the kingdom of God. Not the same thing. Theologians often say they're used interchangeably, and they are not the same thing. There are two different ways of looking at the same thing. But now in the first case it says netlach. The second case it says petlach. Malkutah, if you break it down phonetically, mulk means two things. In one direction, it means scattered, vaporized, destroyed, nowhere. Something that has no physical location. Something that's essentially blown to bits and shattered. And now it's everywhere. You understand what I'm saying? You drop a glass and... In the other direction, it actually means preserved or salted or eternal. The word malkutah embodies both of these. It means literally that something is eternal and that it's non-local, meaning that it's not a person, it's actually a state of being. It's something that's everywhere. Now when it says netlach with the n sound in the beginning of it, it didn't actually say preserved with salt. What it actually said, by putting that consonant in front of it, it actually said vaporized.